Hello, hello, and welcome to the Millie Life. Today, we are washing the bike. It's supposed to be 65, but right now it is not so warm. So that's why we're all bundled up. Let's go.
All right, first up, supplies. You're going to need the following. A water source. I used the AR Blue Power 1600 watt power washer, but you can also just use a garden hose. So I used the Armor All Ultra Shine and wax. A microfiber wash mitt for the body of the bike. Another microfiber wash mitt for the wheels and axles of the bike. A wheel brush. Another wheel brush. And last but not least, a lovely shower cap to cover the air breather and keep water out.
All right, so we're gonna take our shower cap, lovely Monate. We're gonna put that over the air breather. That looks really funny. And then we're gonna take my seat off. Can you help me with this? Stop it.
Just get good.
So this is another custom piece of the bike that Matt got for his but didn't end up using. Freaking love it. We took the seat off. Matt's going to get grocery bags to cover the wiring under the seat and also my speaker on top. Oh, hi.
Oh yeah, and that's
That's
on
cold.
the right side. Oh yeah. Okay, now turn this.
Yeah.
Like I showed you. Now shoot it. See what I mean? But if
Yeah.
you point it down, look at that. See what it does to the concrete? It takes the fucking dirt off.
Oh, cool.
But if you go back, now shoot it. Right? It'll do it, but it's just like a lot more chill. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So.
Okay,
that's
so
what
we
I'm
want
using on the
this.
deck, so.
We don't want to go into the wind.
But, all right,
Where would you? We're gonna get her wet first. That's not warm. Whew. Body. Kind of weird being out here by yourself. It's like, kind of feel like I am talking to myself. So there's that. Oh yeah. Gonna let all that drip down. Left the reheated coffee, left it in far too long. Now, scrub the tires. Get in there with this guy. Wow, that water went fast. giant towels, lay it over the bike, and you just pull the water off. Here's this guy, Cook Detailer Chemical Guys. Actually, I'm gonna take these off real quick. Finish any drying with that.
And here's the final product. It took about an hour and she looked fantastic. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Danielle. This is the Millie Life. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.